Cue card.
Describe an adventure you would like to go on. You should say, with whom do you want to go? When do you want to go? What do you want to do?
However, I have never tried any of these activities. So, I want to start with something a little easier, like trekking. My sister and her husband go trekking every year during the summer vacation. They also enjoy camping at night, immersing themselves in nature's embrace instead of staying at resorts. Unfortunately, they live in the US, so I can't accompany them. That's why I want to go trekking in India. There is a beautiful trek near Shimla in Himachal Pradesh that I have heard about. It is around 10 kilometers long and not too steep, making it perfect for a beginner like me. One of my cousins did it last year and had a great experience. The trek starts at the bottom of a small hill and ends at the top, where there is a stunning lake. People camp near the lake for the night before returning the next day. I have convinced my best friend to accompany me on this adventure. Our plan is to travel to Shimla by motorcycle and then embark on the trek. We are both incredibly excited about this trip. In fact, we have started walking about 10 kilometers every day as part of our preparation, ensuring that we won't face any difficulties during the trek. But what we are most thrilled about is camping beside a campfire near the lake. Both of us are fans of horror movies, so we plan to watch them all night long, adding a thrilling element to our camping experience.
Part 3. What kind of personality should a person have to be able to take risks?
It really depends on people and the season. For example, during winters, people like to visit beaches and coastal towns to get a respite from the cold temperatures, while in summers, people visit hill stations to get relief from the sun. Young people are more likely to visit places with good nightlife and entertainment facilities, whereas older people prefer to visit religious places.
Do adventures expand your horizons?
Yes, I definitely think so. Adventures teach us to step out of our comfort zone, taking risks in life that ultimately make us happier, more confident, and more open to new experiences. Ultimately, adventures empower us by helping us realize our capabilities.
What kind of people love adventure? What specific age group?
I think it's mostly the young who like to go for adventures because adventures can be physically demanding. However, being adventurous is also about being mentally strong. I think through mental willpower, people can overcome any physical challenges.
Which one is more interesting, adventure stories in the books or adventure films?
I think visualizing the challenge or adventure makes it much more exciting. So I would pick adventure films. I wouldn't say books are bad, but I feel it's nearly impossible to relay the difficulty of the adventure through words. Of course, there are some exceptional authors like George R.R. Martin and J.K. Rowling who have done it with their command over the language.